Hey guys, welcome back to another week of our stay at home homeschooling. Just going to walk you through some of the activities we're doing this week, and we actually have a new change. Some of our work kind of got a little sidetracked, and so our solution was to create zones. And we start off in the morning, we do zone 1, zone 2, and then we go to zone 3. And then we repeat the cycle as much as possible. So zone 1, as you could see, has, well, I'll go through it all, the academic work. Zone 2 has the academic work that's more gamey. We try to stick with games more. That's why there's 2 games. And then zone 3 is just a ton of games. And then after lunch, we start again with zone 1. So even if before lunch we only did zone 1 and 2, then, well, we start with zone 1 and 2 again, and we don't really do so much zone 3. Now, we started this at the beginning of last week because what we noticed was that although we did a lot of work, every week I keep saying that we're going to finish our unit on time and then get into our unit on book genres. Never really happened because we got so distracted in a good way. So we're going to try out this method. So I'm going to take you through zone 1. Zone 1, we have here our Chumash cards, which is really just Hebrew language cards. Here is what we don't know. Here is what we do know. Super proud about that. Then we have division. We did start division, and we used the Montessori division board. So we're reviewing multiplication and adding division at the same time. So I feel like it's always important to combine the skills. Next we have vocabulary words. We have journal and reading. And then hopefully we will be finishing, I hope, with this new technique, we'll be finishing these cards. I actually made them, and they're just vocabulary cards. Here, I'll show you quickly. Vocabulary cards with definitions. So this is all zone 1. Zone 2, we have Skyjo. I just love this game. It's really the cards. Every time I play it, we're finding new ways to increase learning. So totally love this game. Next, we have Wheel of Fortune. It's just a fun spelling game. It's more of, we're using it now more of a memory / phonics game, but love it. This game over here, this is really cute. Let's see if we can get it open for you. This is a fishing game. Highly recommend it, so I'm going to leave it below. And it's not, even though it's your fine motor hand-eye coordination fishing, it's all math-based. So there's so many ways you can play it. So again, I'm going to leave a link below. Last of zone 2, he kind of ended up a little bit of zone 3, but he really is zone 2. This is a hot dots. Love hot dots. The kids could do it by themselves, don't need to ask advice. So cool. And then last we have our actual zone 3. Here we have Bumperina. It's a fun game. It actually is more of a fine motor game, and you have to, as you see in the box, you actually have to manipulate the you want to get the most balls, basically. It's a fun game. Mancala, it's also a very basic game. What I love about it is that we can incorporate multiplication and division by 4s. At this point, we know a lot of it, but hey, who couldn't use a quick review? The next we have a new Lego set, and we love Lego, so that's a fun one. And last we have Pickles to Penguins, and that is more of a speech-related game, but it is so silly. It's like, hey, who doesn't want to play it? So again, here's our quick overview. I do pick a few of the things that we liked or adapted the most, and I will share more information on Instagram. So if you want more information on how we use specifics, well then please head over to our Instagram account, and not only do I take pictures, but I explain below how we use it. So can't wait to see you guys over in Instagram. And if there's anything here that you love or that you use with your family, please, by all means, give me a thumbs up or a like. And then we'll see you again next week. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Happy playing.